Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to create new user list on BlueSky app. First, open the BlueSky app on your screen and make sure you are logged in. Tap the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. You'll look for an option called List. Tap on this settings to proceed. Once you are in the list section, look for a plus icon at the top right corner and click on it to start creating the list. Now write a list name in the first box. Choose a name that clearly defines the type of user you want in this list. You can also add description in the second box regarding the focus of the list. Tap on the Save option once you have decided on the name. After naming your list, you will be asked to add users. You can start by typing the name of the users and select the ones you want to add to this list. To select the person, tap on the Add option. Tap Done once you have selected all the users you want to add in the list. So this is how to create a new user list on BlueSky app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful.